Hi everyone, welcome to Soulful Sharon and welcome to my Soulful Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare chicken curry with coconut milk. This dish is specially prepared in South India and it really tastes very nice. It's very quick and easy recipe and let's check the recipe quickly. Here we take a bowl and we add 500 grams of chicken. I've taken chicken with bones and then I'll be adding 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of pepper. Marinate it well and keep it aside. In the meantime, I'll be starting with the preparation for the curry. So I'll be taking 2 onions. If you want to add 2 onions, more than 2 onions, you can use it. But I feel 2 onions is sufficient for 500 grams of chicken. We'll be finely chopping it. So this curry, we are going to prepare it in coconut milk. And especially people in South India prefer non-veg in coconut milk. And it really tastes delicious. It's very easy to cook as well. And further, we'll see that we take one kadai and we add some oil. Now, these are the whole spices that we'll be adding to the oil. I've just taken 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 3 elaichi, 4 cloves, and 4 pepper. That's it. Now, we had added pepper in marination, so hence I'm using it less. And once it's fried, then we'll add the onions. We'll fry the onions well until it turns brown. Once the onion turns brown, we'll then add ginger garlic paste. We'll add 1 whole spoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well, fry it well. I always prefer using the homemade ginger garlic paste. And if you are loving today's recipe, do let me know in the comment section and leave your feedback as well. Now here I take 1 tomato. I'm just roughly chopping it. Now this is completely optional. If you want to use tomato, you can. Or if you want to skip it, you can skip it as well. So I'm going to grind the tomato into a fine paste. If you have tomato puree, you can also add that. 4 spoons is good to go. 4 to 5 spoons. And then I'll be adding the spices. First is the turmeric powder, then the chili powder. We'll add some coriander powder as well. And the chicken masala. And give it a very nice mix. Once all the spices mix well with the onion and ginger garlic paste, then we'll add tomato puree, that is the tomato paste that I prepared, and leave it to cook. Well, also let me know, how do you prepare chicken curry? Do you prepare it in this way or do you have any other way of cooking it? Do let me know as well. And this is the paste, tomato paste that I'm adding, and give it a very nice mix. So I add some water to the grinder again. Whatever the leftover paste is there, I take it to the kadai and then I'll cover it with a lid. And now let's see. Yes, it's cooked well. So it's left oil. So you can see at this point, our tomatoes and onions and all the masalas have cooked well. And at this point, we'll add the chicken. I'll add the marinated chicken to the curry and give it a very nice mix. And we'll let it to cook by closing the lid. Here, since the chicken is cooked well, we'll add the coconut milk. So I've taken the ready-made coconut milk. If you have homemade coconut milk, well, that's the best option. And then you give it a very nice mix so that all the flavors come together. If you want to add more water, you can do that so that the curry doesn't become very thick. Here we see the chicken is cooked well And finally, we'll garnish it with some coriander leaves, which gives a very nice look and a nice flavor as well. We'll mix it well, and our chicken curry is ready. Now, chicken curry is always served with kori roti. So, we get a roti that is made with rice, which you can see over here, and it really tastes delicious when we have it along together. Well, if you have loved today's recipe, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Soulful Sharon. Do hit the like button, comment, and share as well. Till then, do take care, be happy, stay safe, and keep smiling. Bye bye.